Hi, so we have a rooftop here, Trane, and I already opened up everything. The customer was saying they have no heat, and when I opened the blower motor panel here, the motor was very hot. I had replaced that motor like a month ago, but it was way hot, and they were saying that they were hearing some kind of noise. So that's the blower wheel, and if I move it like if I shake it, looks like it's broken from the main holding those fin where they are like welded. Looks like they are broken. So now it's touching the housing and making a noise, and which is causing the motor to not so it was causing motor not to rotate. So initially, so these are the two motor wire for the power supply input. So I checked the winding. It was showing open line, open load, whatever you call it, OL, and there were no resistance in between those. So I thought the motor body was too hot. So these motor, they have internal protection. If they get too hot, the switch like this one should be something inside it. It disconnected it from the main supply line. So I let it cool down, then checked it again. Then after that, it was showing continuity and the resistance 6.8 ohm. So hopefully the motor gonna be okay, but I'm gonna remove that the whole assembly and measure the blower wheel dimensions. And before getting the new wheel, I will test the motor. Okay, so I have taken out the blower from the shaft, and if you see carefully, it looks like a twisted. And here, I don't know if you can see that it's completely here. The welding or the joint, whatever it is out from the assembly. Okay, so I just want to test the motor. So I have connected the input supply capacitor and jumped to R, between R and green G. Okay, so the motor is rotating. I just want to make sure if it is the full RPM or what is going on. I just want to take the amps reading. Where is my multimeter? Here. The amps reading gonna be like very minimal because it's running on no load. It's 2.04. Okay, I'm gonna check the RPM. Okay, so we got the new blower wheel, and actually it's not exact. The diameter of the blower wheel is exactly same with the older one, but the length is 1 inch short. So that's the best I could found. Also on this unit, they have only provision to take out the motor assembly with the blower through this ring. Means we have to open the motor mounting and this ring, and the motor will come out with the blower assembly. So it is very hard to precisely set the location of blower on the motor shaft. So I have to open the top panel because I will put the motor from here and have to tight the blower from this side and align it. So that's the design they have, the Trane unit. On other manufacturer, they always give the provision to take out the whole assembly and reassemble the blower and the motor all together outside properly, and then we can slide it. So in this we have to do it. That's the only option. Okay, so I have installed the blower and the motor. The motor I use the same one because it was okay. So everything is looking good. I just crimp all the terminal for the proper connections, and I tighten the blower from this side because that was the only option I had. So okay, everything is looking okay. Let's give it a try. Turn on the power. It's looking okay. No vibration. Cabin over. Okay, so I just want to check the amps rating. Of course, the amps rating gonna be a little bit more because it's open here and open here, and right now it's running on the full load. So we close all the panels, so the amps rating I have to verify again because the motor is rated for the 4 amps only. Okay, so right now I have closed the top and the blower panel. I just wanna quickly see. So it's approx 5, and I have to check the amps rating of the motor. I think it's gonna be okay. So it's heating and the unit is working fine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Okay, I just wanna test the pressure before I go. So I hook up my fitting here to the main fault side of the port of the gas valve with the manometer. So of course we're gonna zero it out first. 0, and let's test it. Already jumped out to heat. Wait a minute. Sorry, that was not jumped out. Okay. So the venter motor is running now. Just wanna check it. So as per the unit spec, the pressure should go to the main fault 3.5 WC water column. Okay, so we have ignition here. Okay, it's approx 3.6. So our blower wheel is 1 inch shorter than the original one. So I'm gonna lower down the pressure a little bit, like approx 3. Okay, so that's the testing port here. moving it to like anti-clockwise, it is reducing. So I just want to, yeah, I think that's enough. Like 3.8 or something earlier, 3.78. Now it's okay.